We are currently seeing that U.S. administration is clearly quite hard-handed when it comes to trying to get Iranian oil exports closer to zero, or actually zero on paper. And that message was very clear on April the 22nd when U.S. administration decided not to extend any more waivers going forward from 2nd May. It seems it's very clear that it's starting to have an impact. We have already started seeing that exports for Iranian crude have gone down, and I believe without the European special purpose vehicle, which the Europeans were basically trying to help with Iranian oil exports outside of the US sanctions, without the help from that, which so far hasn't shown any impact, it seems that Iranian exports are likely to come off quite significantly going forward.
Is that already in the market?
Not yet. I think I don't believe it's completely priced in. I think there is still a risk of. I believe it coming down towards 500,000 further from the current levels is being priced in, but not technically going down to zero is being priced in right now.
How quickly can others pick up that capacity though, like Saudi Arabia?
I think there is a pretty significant spare capacity compared to November, when the same situation was in place and we were talking about sanctions, no waivers being given. At that point, spare capacity for OPEC was close to 1.9. Currently, we have 3.3 million barrels per day of OPEC spare capacity. So we have a decent spare capacity to make up for this loss in the very near term.
What about this ratcheting up of tensions that we've seen just in the last, 24, 48 hours, including John Bolton, National Security Advisor's warning to Iran?
I mean, there is definitely some rhetorics and comments to and fro, because Iran is clearly starting to feel the pressure here from US, and clearly the messaging around uranium enrichment, as well as some of the comments around uranium stocks, as well as heavy water stocks going up, or not being basically confined to those that they were under JCPOA. I think this is a risky proposition, obviously, going forward, how Iran really reacts to the JCPOA agreement, because if it does not abide by the JCPOA, then it's not just the US, but even the European counterparts are likely to then come under pressure to put some measures in place.